Hey, how y'all doing? Welcome back to another episode of My Garage. Where tonight, this unit here is a power washer, 163 cc motor. It was a 2400 psi pressure washer. The pump doesn't work. It's plugged up or something. We're also going to just tear the pump off it because it's no good, and then see about getting the motor running. Probably won't get the motor running tonight. Of course, no Allen wrenches. I'm always prepared. Ouch. These ones should do. We're just going to tear the pump apart. See if we can't figure out why it quit or why it's plugged up. I don't have any history on this. I probably don't even have the right. Of course I would. Oh, this just makes this stuff so fun. We're probably going to start over. Obviously, it's not those. So, got it. Always have the wrong tool for the job, and I normally do. Now, what am I looking for? All this. Dude, golly. Oh, are you for real? Holy, well. Let's just see then. Probably ain't gonna get nothing on this one, I guess, after all. Okay. Maybe we'll be able to get inside the pump, maybe we won't. I don't know. I hooked my garden hose up to it, and normally even if the pump's off, you can get water to come out from the handle, but no. I'm gonna have to get a swavel. Holy, not prepared. Diddly door out of nothing. Brought that big toolbox home, and let's see. Get that out of the way. And hang on. Rearranged everything, and now I just gotta get used to it all. Hope everybody's having a good night. It's about 10 o'clock. Oh, shit. Wrong. I am going to separate all the brass and aluminum and everything, and why not? See if I can't take some of it once I get enough. Take it back and take it back to the scrapyard. I don't know where springs are at. I don't know if any of this stuff is spring loaded. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, that gunk on there. Probably just packed clean full of garbage. That's probably why it's not running. I have no idea what I'm doing. But I'm gonna do it anyway. Why? That's what we do here in my garage. We just grab them and go. Ain't no sense in knowing what you're doing. Fake it till you make it, baby. That's what I always say. Screw the pooch. Let's go. Ain't no sense in acting like I know what I'm doing when I absolutely do not know. And I will never act like I know what I'm doing. Because as you can see, I do not. There we go. Yeah. I don't know if this is tapered or not. Ow. Let me go get a bigger persuader. There's one. Didn't have to go very far. I am gonna guess that there is a bearing or something like that. I got a bigger one. I think. Oh, yeah. I found it. Fellers out there probably telling me, look, dummy, you take that end off first, and then you can get it here and do this. And, probably right. But as we have established a few times, I have no idea what's going on. There we go, let's make some noise. telling me, telling me I ain't coming off, you son of a bitch. I got news for you. You're coming off. Told you. Told you. I got you off. All right. Yeah. What am I looking for? What am I looking for? I have no idea. I'm gonna get the keyway off. It's a small shaft. Oh. What can we do with this? Let's go, let's do this one. Nope. Was it this one? Nope. Was it this one? No. Oh, mother of fries. Let's go over here to the vise and put it in there and see what we can figure out. Oh, I know it's gonna be 2 videos in one day, isn't it? How the hell did I manage that? Oh, I know. Because I don't edit my videos. Yeah. Holy. There we go. Got to put a big wrench on her. We're gonna get it. Don't worry, fellas. We're gonna get it. Ready? Yeah. I think when it goes clink like that, it hurts the hands. Right, because, most of you know, hopefully as well as I do, that you put metal into aluminum. Usually it says, nope, don't do it. I don't want to, I'm going to go together, but I am not coming apart. No. Sorry if you hear the fan. It's a little warm in here. Oh, it is just all funked up. Alright, well, I got snap. Oh, get out of there. We got snap ring players. Get out of there. Maybe. Oh, almost. I hate snap rings. But I got it. Oh! Yeah. Simmer down there, cowboy. This is not going back together. So You would think if we took the O-ring out that it would come out. I don't know. Oh, that did something. That did something. That did something. It did it. Ooh. We got fluid coming out. Oh, oh shit. Shoot. Shit. My ship is sailing. I probably won't be able to get that out of there. Probably not for that long. Yeah, I doubt that's going to come out. I don't even think I took the carburetor off this and cleaned it or nothing. I don't think I did. I don't remember. Yeah, that ain't no. Whatever this is gonna do, it's just gonna. It's where it's at. So let's go back over to the bench. And oh, there we get a full tour of my shop studio, or my garage studio. Full tour. All right, are we back in here pretty good? That's probably about right there, maybe. Oh, sorry about the shakiness. Well, I took apart a push mower that was completely pooched. I can't find it now. Had a broken piston ring. Had a broken piston ring, so just spitting oil past it. I don't even know if that's an oil ring or not. I don't know much about that kind of stuff and how heavy or whatever. So where is the part? Wait, yeah, I did have this part, didn't I? This didn't fiddle with it too awful much. I just didn't. Oh yeah, I remember now. This had a lot of dirt and crud on the inside. Rough. I wonder if it needs coil because it doesn't even act like it wants to start. The guy said he had it for quite a while. Well, let's see. We're gonna see what we can see when we see. Excuse me. I wonder if it's even getting because should we check that first, really? Before? Oh, is this the one that I couldn't get? Extension? Extension. Hello, extension. Welcome to my world of unorganization. Let's check that because if we're not getting sparks, oh come on, you ratchet. Extension. I had this shop all cleaned up and then I got the harebrained idea yesterday of, hey, let's paint in here. So now everything's a mess. Oh, where this was just for you. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We got sparks, captains. So now, what in the holy French fry? Spark. Let's just that's gonna be right. No? This one? No, that's too big already. This one. Jackpot. Fuel. Let's wait this out. See if we're getting good clean through. Oh. I could probably have every single thing to do with it. Did I take this carburetor off? I honestly don't remember. That's the gas that came out of it. I mean, that gas is supposed to be kind of clear. This looks like lemonade. Or the first morning whiz. So we're getting this part. Gas is horrible. Spark plug don't look the cleanest or the bravest soul. I don't recall if I had the carburetor off of this. did have a carburetor off this. Do I have another carburetor? Probably not. Nasty as that gas is. Yeah, I didn't even. Don't remember what it is. That gas is nasty. I don't even know how much is in here. Let that run in there. I think it's my first guess. I don't remember. I don't remember. See, I don't know if that runs like a little bit of a vacuum because I took this cover off. There's that line right there. It goes in the valve cover head. So I don't know if that runs off a little bit of a vacuum. Mm-hmm. Is it clear enough? It's about the same, Captain. Holy. It's usually probably easier. Oh, look at that. That's usually easier when I got this on the mower versus trying to do it this way. I worked out carburetor. Oh, because that other one's got a dang oh, yeah, that's not. Yeah, that one's not going to work. I wonder if this is not. No. I'm not sure. We'll find out together here in a bit. Who's on the fucking nuts and bolts? I don't know if I can get it. It's clean. Nice and clean inside, so I mean. Oh yeah, I did take it. Yeah, I did clean the carbon stuff on this one. There's no fuel air mixture setting stuff on it. There's no adjustment on this one at all. Yeah, I remember now. It's going back to me. I just don't know why. I don't know why it's called the fire. Let's just put this all back to Gazelle. We'll get I just think it ain't getting fuel for some reason. I don't know. I never did try that, the fucking bottle feeds gas to it. Well, I guess I have to make a part 2 of the power washer, disassemble and start. Hopefully it starts. No. Where is this? Where is this? No, I don't remember. I don't remember. Help me. I should turn the fuel back on, hopefully. Man. Well, if the video stops, please like and subscribe. I will be posting, I will have to do another video. Probably won't get up tonight because these take forever to load. Share with your friends, family. I have stickers coming. If I get to 100 subscribers, I'll do a sticker t-shirt giveaway. People making my, I probably already said all of this, the people making my stickers, let's see if they can do sweatshirt or t-shirts too. Get to 100 subscribers, I'll have randomly pick somebody so I can figure out how to see who my subscribers are. I'm not that smart. Not when it comes to this YouTube stuff. I wonder if that is just pulling like it's supposed to. Oh, you ding dong. How come you didn't tell me that was off there for the choke? That's okay. We'll live to fight another day, my friends. Man, the trains are noisy over there in here tonight. We'll have that open. Come on. Yeah, come on. I like doing this stuff. I like not getting something that doesn't run. You look into it a little bit, you dig into a few things, and I know that gas is gross. I don't have any fresh with me right here. Squeeze bottle here is much better. as far as the quality of gas. Well, let's see. Now I'm getting spark. How about that? Huh? Is that gonna be snugged up in order? Where's my son of a gun? My wrench. Did you see where I put it? Oh, okay. That's probably enough fuel. Because I don't have, there's probably not enough fuel in it. And that fuel that I took out probably isn't any good. Not real good, but I think it's gonna be better than nothing. Can't dump it all in this. Oh yeah. Yeah, you see, we got her fired off. That's kind of what my goal was. Oh, there we go. Let's see. Maybe we're not. Got the gas in there? And you got too much gas in her now? Yep. We gotta get some good gas in it, ladies and gentlemen. But there you go. Another fine My Garage production. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. You never know what's gonna come next. We'll probably fiddle with some more tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, leave comments below. Let me know how I'm doing. Appreciate it. Don't forget, 100 subscribers, there's going to be a giveaway coming. T-shirt sticker package. I don't know what, I know I got one sticker design, but that's it. See ya.